Do you want to create movies like this?
Come on, baby, hold together. It's temperamental, but I've got it under control.
We can't afford any malfunctions, not now. The stakes are too high.
I know. Trust me, Commander, I won't let us down.
I know you won't. That's why you're here.
We've picked up an anomaly on the radar. Something's moving towards us fast.
Can we get a visual? That's not debris.
If it's another ship, we need to be prepared.
Imagine creating stunning Hollywood-style movies, epic TV shows, or breathtaking cinematic videos, all from your browser, without needing expensive software or technical skills. Sounds unreal, right? Watch this video to see it in action. Step 1. Introduction. FocalML is a cutting-edge, web-based platform that merges powerful AI tools like Minimax, Kling, Luma, and ElevenLabs, giving you everything you need to create stunning movies, videos, or TV shows, all in one place. You don't need additional software like Premiere Pro or CapCut because FocalML provides an all-in-one editing experience directly in your browser. Best of all, you can start creating with their free plan. Step 2. Starting your project. Begin by heading to FocalML.com, the link is in the description below, and create your free account. Once you're logged in, click Create a new project. You'll be presented with 3 options. Create from an idea. This is perfect if you have a concept in mind but no script. Create from a script, have a screenplay or book. Upload it and let Focal adapt it for you. Create a blank project, ideal if you're already experienced and want total creative control. For this demo, I'll show you how easy it is to create from an idea. Step 3. Transforming ideas into plots. Let's give our project a title. Space Adventure. In the description box, type something like, a thrilling space mission to save humanity. Next, click the Generate Plot button. FocalML's AI will instantly craft a detailed plotline with characters, locations, and a storyline tailored to your idea. If the result doesn't quite match your vision, no worries. You can tweak the description, edit the generated plot, or regenerate a completely new one. Once you're satisfied, hit Continue. Step 4. Customizing your story. Now comes the fun part, customizing your project. FocalML breaks your story into chapters and provides tools for enhancing every detail. Start with the global style. This sets the overall tone of your project. Choose something cinematic, vibrant, or even futuristic. Move to characters and locations. Here, you can edit AI-generated characters and settings to match your story or create new ones entirely. Finally, check out voices.
Just trust yourself, then you will know.
Life is about creating yourself.
Using ElevenLabs, FocalML generates realistic voiceovers tailored to each character. Tweak everything until it's perfect, then click the Create Project button. Step 5. Exploring the workspace. Welcome to the editing workspace. This is where your story starts to take shape. At the bottom, you'll see a timeline with all your chapters laid out, while the left-hand panel provides tools to manage styles, characters, and more. Let's move on to generating content for one of your chapters. Step 6. Bringing your chapters to life. Select a chapter from the timeline and click Generate. You can also use the shortcut command +K to open the Copilot chat. Type in your instructions, or let the default prompts guide you. Once you hit Generate, the AI will create images, audio, or even video content for that chapter. Preview what's been created. If it's not quite right, adjust the instructions and regenerate. Once satisfied, click Accept. Repeat this process for all your chapters until your story is fully built. Step 7. Refining your video. Now it's time to polish your video. FocalML's intuitive editor lets you preview your progress.
Come on, baby, hold together.
How's it looking, Ivan?
It's temperamental, but I've got it under control.
Move elements around on the timeline, resize visuals, or delete anything unnecessary. Want to animate a static image? Click on it, choose Animate. and write your animation prompt. Watch as your image comes to life.
We can't afford any malfunctions, not now. The stakes are too high.
You can refine animations or retry until you get the perfect effect. Repeat the same process for all your images. Step 8. Adding final touches. Before exporting, head to the settings to fine-tune your project. Choose the aspect ratio, landscape or portrait, select advanced video and image models, and pick your preferred language. Everything you need to perfect your video is right here. Final step, exporting your movie. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Click Export, and FocalML will render your video, ready for download or publication. And there you have it, a complete, cinematic video created effortlessly with FocalML.
Come on, baby, hold together. It's temperamental, but I've got it under control.
We can't afford any malfunctions, not now. The stakes are too high.
I know. Trust me, Commander, I won't let us down.
I know you won't. That's why you're here.
We've picked up an anomaly on the radar. Something's moving towards us fast.
Can we get a visual? That's not debris.
If it's another ship, we need to be prepared.
If you're ready to bring your creative vision to life, head to FocalML.com and try it out today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below with your ideas for using FocalML. Until next time, happy creating!